Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coolzie TV. Okay, so as I promised before, so we have another unboxing video. Okay, for this time I will unboxing a product that I just purchased last week. Okay, and the name is Thronmax MDrill 1 streaming USB microphone. Okay, so this is like not really a professional microphone, but it's quite high end. Alright, and it's usually you can use it for your PC, okay, and also for your phone and others. Okay, so alright, so let's go. Okay, so this is it. This is the microphone. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is actually one of the most expensive product I bought online. Usually if online I don't buy something expensive because of too much risk there, but for this time I try something that I never done before. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Okay, I like the packaging. Alright, good luck. We really congratulations to the seller, really care about their product. Okay. Oh, before that, I forgot to tell you the price is around in Ringgit Malaysia is around 270, and for the USD I mean around maybe $60, $60 or $70. Alright. So this is the product. Alright. Okay. Alright, this is it. So you cannot see it. Okay, hold on. This is it. Alright. Okay. So that's the product, as you can see. Okay, hold on. I'll show you a bit more. Okay, so this is the product. Alright, Thronmax MDrill 1. Okay, the packaging is really interesting. I mean, like, not interesting but it really look so nice. The box and also the material of the box and also the everything. I feel expensive. I feel the price. Okay, so alright, so let's see what inside. Okay, on the box you can see it's like the name of the product. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is the Thronmax. Okay, this is MDrill 1. Okay, and you got the award winning here, as you can see here. Alright, wait, right? Okay, you can see here, this is the award winning. Alright, here you can see the logo. Okay, so this Red Dot Best Design Award. Okay, this mic had won award before. Alright, and so, and what you have here, you have a lot of information here. You can see the technology here, the 4 recording pattern, the 48K HZ recording, and also it have a 16-bit. Alright, and you have a lot of accessories they put together inside the box. Okay, so at the behind they provide you like simple information with various numbers of languages. Alright, and here you can see the recording modes. Okay, there are 4 dedicated recording modes for multiple application. We have here is cardioid, stereo, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. Here you can see. Oh, alright, here. Okay, and from here you can see is more information about the product. Okay, alright. Okay, so right now, so let's see what's inside. How to open it? You open it from here. Okay, alright. So scissors and okay, so So there is this. Okay, it's easy if I cut it out. Alright, yeah, okay, so this is. So this is the product. Oh, I really like the packaging and the smell of the box. Alright, they're the best parts of unboxing is the smell of the box. Really make you feel so good. Alright, the smell of happiness. Alright, and okay, so let's see. So inside, okay, so this is more like the, oh, alright. Oh, so this is this. Wow, it's really big. Alright, I never expect it's going to be this big. Alright. Oh, this is the microphone. Alright. Okay. Personally, I don't expect it's gonna be so big as this big, but okay, alright. So worth it with your price. It's really heavy. I don't know what the weight of this microphone, but let's see if I get information here. Oh no weight here. Okay, but it's really heavy. Alright, and so you don't need to worry it's going to be fall when you do your online streaming, YouTube, or maybe you want to do some Facebook Live for your gaming and others. Okay, alright, so this is the product. Okay, so what else inside you can see here is like, I think here you can get the oh yes, here is all the cable. Alright, the cable that you need for this microphone, and the other is this is your manual. Okay, simple manual. Okay, and what else? Okay, that's all for this box. Okay, let's see what inside in the box. Got another product, another thing. Okay, that's all. Nothing inside. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that's it. So let's look at this mic. Okay. Alright. So this video I will not show you how to use it yet, but I will show you on another video on how to use this microphone. It's really big. I thought it's gonna be this tall only, but it's really big. It's really good. Alright, worth it for the price. Okay, so why I purchased this? First of all, it's like I'm producing a digital product using this mic. Okay, and also we say in future I will do a lot of video about more product. Okay, so maybe this is one of the tools that I will use later. Okay, so and alright, so let's see what's inside. Okay, inside the book we have here, we have, I think, oh, this is a logo sticker. I like this one, like GoPro and iPhone. When you purchase it, you will get it. And here you got some important notes. Okay, alright, what is right is like all condensed microphones are very sensitive to moisture. For sure vocal use, for close vocal use, Thronmax strongly recommended to use the pop filter or foam wind screen to prevent permanent damage to the transducer. Okay, alright. And what else inside? Okay, so this is to show you how to use it. And here, oh, this is also a sticker. I like this one. Okay, so alright, a lot of information here. This is normal. Okay, if you purchase it, you can see it, you can read it. Alright, and okay, alright, okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, but for the next video I will show you how to use this precious thing, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Okay, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to your friend. Maybe they want to, right now we cannot go out, most to work at home, so maybe you need some, I don't know, maybe you want to start your Twitch account, maybe you want to start Facebook Live, playing some games. So this might be useful, or maybe you want to make your own podcast. So this is a really good product for you. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.